In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and install a Facebook pixel using your Facebook business account. This process is essential for any business looking to track activity on their website and optimize their advertising efforts. So let's dive in and get started. To begin, you'll need to log into your Facebook business account. Once you're in, navigate to the Events Manager section. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to manage everything related to the Facebook pixel. In this section, you'll see an option to create a new pixel. Go ahead and select it. Facebook will ask you to name your pixel, so choose something that appropriately reflects its purpose, perhaps the name of your business or website. It's important for the pixel name to clearly identify its use, especially if you manage multiple pixels. Once your pixel is created, Facebook will provide you with a unique pixel code. This is essentially a piece of JavaScript code that you'll need to embed on your website to start tracking data. Copy this code carefully, ensuring you have all of it. Every character counts. Now it's time to integrate this code into your website. If you're using Hostinger Website Builder or WordPress, this process is fairly straightforward. For either platform, you'll need to log in. On Hostinger, find the section of your dashboard where you can edit your site's settings. You'll want to look for something labeled Header or Tracking section. For WordPress, you can generally access this from your WordPress dashboard by navigating to Appearance, then Editor, and locating the header section in your theme files. If you're using a theme or plugin with specific options for adding code or scripts to your header, that's even better. Paste the copied pixel code into the header or tracking section. Be sure to insert it exactly as you copied it. Any errors in this code could prevent the pixel from functioning correctly. Placing the code in the header ensures that it loads on every page of your website, allowing you to track comprehensive visitor data. After placing the code, take a moment to double-check its location. Once you're confident it's positioned correctly, save your changes. In WordPress, simply click Update File, whereas in Hostinger, you'll want to make sure the changes are finalized by hitting Save. Finally, don't forget to publish your site if required. This ensures the changes you've made go live, activating the pixel so that it starts gathering data. Check back in your Facebook Events Manager to make sure your pixel is active and tracking. You should see status updates reflecting that your pixel is receiving data. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Facebook pixel. By following these steps, you're now equipped to gather invaluable insights about your website traffic and user behavior, which will ultimately help in refining your business strategies and advertisements. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.